number between 1 and 20 is 20.
20! I get a punch. Mwah! Yo, YouTube, welcome back to our channel. I'm Janice and Kingston. Hey guys, so today we are doing the Siri Vs Alexa Pixar Slime Quiz Challenge! Yay! Last time we did the Siri vs Google Pixar Slime Ingredients, but today Siri has a new challenger, Alexa! Oh my god, it's my other rival Alexa! I will beat you just like Google! So basically there are 20 ingredients in front of us. I'm going to ask Alexa to pick a number between 1 and 20. And I'm going to ask Siri to pick a number between 1 and 20. Whatever we get, we have to put it in our slot. But there's a twist! Oh no, not again! As you can see, there are 3 special numbers. If we get 18, then we have to pick an ingredient from the bowl of surprise. If we get 19, then we have to spin this mystery wheel. On the mystery wheel, there are slots such as dump it. That means we have to dump my slime into the opponent's bowl. Oh no, I don't want to get dumped. Me too. If we get 20, oh no, Janice, you're not gonna like this. We have to pick an ingredient from the bowl of punishment. What? You gotta be kidding me! But before we start the challenge, we have shout-outs to... Wait, first we got a challenge for you. We wanna see if you can give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and hit the bell in 8 seconds. Are you ready for this? Here we go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, done. If you can do that, comment down below. #JKSquad. So today's shoutouts go to Epic Empire 2463, OMG Life of Ashlyn, Noof May, Yajaria Sanchez, Emma Obenhaz, Myra Santana, LPS Skittles for Life, Teresa Cooper, Catherine Garcia, Frost YouTube Gaming, Holly Chapman, Abio Fate Newcomb, Jalen No, Nazia Nubens, Kendrexa, Sylvia Almagur, Texting Stories, and Anna Rivera. Thank you for your support. If you want to get a shout out in the next video, you need a like, subscribe, and comment down below you did it and you want a shout out. Rock, paper, scissors. Who gets to ask your device first? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. No! Ask Alexa first. Oh yeah. Hey Alexa, pick a number between 1 and 20.
Your random number between 1 and 20 is 16.
16. Let's see. Ooh, yeah, I got yellow fish puppies. I wanted those. Oh, yeah. Now I'm going to ask Siri. Hey, Siri, pick a number between 1 and 20.
A random number between 1 and 20 is 6.
6. Which one is 6? Oh, 6. Purple. Oh yeah. Let's add it in. Alright. My slime's gonna be crunchy. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Oh my god. What was that? Oops. Now it's my second turn. Hey Alexa, pick a number between 1 and 20.
Your random number between 1 and 20 is 14.
14. Let's see. Ooh, turquoise glitter. Ooh la la, turquoise glitter. This is so pretty, guys. Look at that. Hey Siri, pick a number between 1 and
and 20 is 14.
14, we already got 14. Yeah, so I'm gonna ask Siri again. Hey Siri, pick a number between 1 and 20.
A random number between 1 and 20 is 17.
17. You got Fimo slices. Ooh, look at those Fimo slices. They're flowers. Ooh la la. Ooh, I'm gonna add quite a lot. Whoa, mine looks like a garden. Whoa, mine is so glittery, guys. The middle is so pretty. Mine's a garden. Garden! Whoa, look at those Fimo slices. Whoa, your slice like a beach with flowers on it. So colorful. Now it's time for my amazing, majestic third pick. Hey Alexa, pick a number between 1 and 20.
Your random number between 1 and 20 is 9.
999? Here. Yay! Shave cream. Oh yeah, I'm gonna make a fluffy song. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hey Siri, pick a number between 1 and 20.
A random number between 1 and 20 is 5.
5. Let's see, scavenger hunt. Oh yeah! I got white glue. White glue. My slop's gonna be thick. I'm gonna spray my shaving cream, so I gotta shake it up. Okay. 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna add the white glue. Whoa! It's like ice cream. I'm making a mountain. Whoa! And I'm done. Now it's time for my amazing fourth pick. Hey Alexa, pick a number between 1 and 20.
Your random number between 1 and 20 is 4.
4. Yay! I got pink clear glue. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! My first glue. Oh yeah! Hey Siri, pick a number between 1 and 20.
A random number between 1 and 20 is 18.
18! Ooh! I get a surprise! That means I have to pick a secret mystery ingredient from the bowl of surprise. Which one? Close your eyes. Which one should I pick? I pick this one. What did I get? What did I get? What did I get? Gold metallic paint! Whoa! Yes! Here's the gold metallic paint. And here's the pink clear glue. Let's add it in. Ooh la la. I'm gonna do a drizzle on top of my shaving cream. Me too. Whoa, that's so cool. I know, it's like a sundae. Yep, it's a strawberry sundae. Oh, lots of metallic. Dump it all in. Looks very awesome. It's time for my fifth pick. Let's do this. Hey Alexa, pick a number between 1 and 20.
Your random number between 1 and 20 is 12.
12. Let's see. Ooh, blue foam means this is gonna be super crunchy. Oh la la. Now it's time for my fifth pick. Hey Siri, pick a number between 1 and 20.
A random number between 1 and 20 is 20.
20! I get a punch. Loser. So that means I have to pick an ingredient from the bowl of punishment. Loser. I don't want to get a bad ingredient. Okay, I picked this one. What is it? Oh, lotion! That's super bad! It's gonna make my slime super runny! Ow! Oh yeah! Okay. 3, 2, 1, go! Whoa, that looks so pretty, guys! Okay, I'm done. Mine looks like a cotton candy land. Look at that, guys. That looks like clouds. Yours looks better than mine. Mine looks super weird because of the lotion. Just 3 pink blobs in the middle. Now it's my beautiful 6th turn. Hey Alexa, pick a number between 1 and 19.
Your random number between 1 and 19 is 2.
2. Let's see. Ooh, yellow clear glue. Ooh la la. Oh yeah. Hey Siri, pick a number between 1 and 19.
A random number between 1 and 19 is 7.
7. Ooh, pick glitter glue. Now let's draw some art with the glues. Alright, go. I'm gonna make like a flower around the lotion. Ooh, it's yellow syrup. Oh yeah, it's yellow syrup. Okay, and now I'm gonna do some spirals. Boop. And to the last petal. And done. Hey Alexa, pick a number between 1 and 19.
Your random number between 1 and 19 is 10.
10. Ooh, pink glitter. Oh yeah, pink glitter. Oh yeah. Hey Siri, pick a number between 1 and 19.
A random number between 1 and 19 is 8.
Oh yes, I have blue glitter glue. Ooh, I'm gonna sprinkle it. Oh my god, that's so pretty. I'm gonna make a new center for the flower. Hey Alexa, pick a number between 1 and 19.
Your random number between 1 and 19 is 13.
Yay! Even does the glitter! Oh yeah! Hey Siri, pick a number between 1 and 19.
A random number between 1 and 19 is 1.
Yes! I got clear glue! I got clear glue! Oh yeah! Woo! I need more. So clear! It's magnifying the glitter, so it's making it more sparkly. Look at that! There's never enough much glitter. So guys, since we only have 4 ingredients left, we're going to make the blue clear glue 1, the green foam balls 2, the rainbow sprinkles 3, and the mystery card 4. So I'm going to ask Alexa. Hey Alexa, pick a number between 1 and 4.
Here's a number between 1 and 4. It's 3.
3, that means I get the rainbow sprinkles. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Hey Siri, pick a number between 1 to 4.
A random number between 1 and 4 is 4.
Oh, I get the mystery card. Ooh. That means you have to spin the mystery wheel to find out what you're gonna get. Guys, what if I get dump it or switch up? I can't afford to lose my beautiful slime. Me too. I don't want your ugly slime to go in my beautiful slime. No, it's beautiful. No, mine is. Spin the mystery wheel. Whoa, guys, that looks like a cake. So pretty. Whoa. Mine looks like a very colorful ocean. There we go. With a bouquet of flowers around it. A circle of flowers around it. Whoa, looks so cool. I'm going to make this 1 and I'm going to make this 2. Hey Alexa, pick a number between 1 and 2.
Your random number between 1 and 2 is 1.
Yes! I get one please. Oh yes. I'm gonna make this like grass. Oh, that's so cool. Look at that. Flowers and grass. Whoa. Okay, and now I'm gonna do this. Drizzle, drizzle, drizzle. Oh yeah, there's so much glitter. It's beautiful. Oh yeah. I got my legendary sword with me. Oh yeah, I'm the unicorn legendary sword. Boom! Whoa, there's so much glitter. I love this. I know. It's so colorful. Oh my god, look at the shaving cream. It's so many different colors mixed color. There's gold, there's white, there's blue, there's pink, there's purple.
Oh, look at mine. The shaving cream's taking over and it's so glittery. Check that out. Whoa.
Whoa, guys, mine is turning like lavender. Whoa. It looks super duper cool, guys.
So guys, we're gonna keep on mixing our slimes and we'll see you guys in 3, 2, 1.
So, guys, this is our slimes. So, guys, I really like my slime because it's super duper colorful. Look at these foam beads. Whoa. Also, look at the Fimo slices. Whoa. Look at that, guys. So pretty. It looks like a garden. And it's super duper crunchy. Look at the bubbles it can make. Wow, look at that. Awesome bubbles. And when I touch it, it doesn't even pop. That's amazing. So guys, if you think my slime won, comment down below. Hashtag Strawberry Siri. Alliteration right there.
So guys, this is my slime. I love it so much. The consistency is a little bit jiggly and really fluffy because I added shaving cream to it. It's also really stretchy and also it looks like cookies and cream. It looks like ice cream and the glitters make it look like chocolate chips. And don't forget about the rainbow sprinkles. And it can do awesome slime swirls. Just like this. Wow! Awesome crunches too. So if you guys think my slime won, comment down below. Hashtag Cookies and Alexa.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, remember to
Like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell. We'll see you all next time. Bye!
Thanks for watching, everybody. We hope you liked it.
If you haven't subscribed yet, please click on the icon on the right and a little thing will pop up and you get to subscribe.
Click on one of the pictures to see more fun videos.
Remember to like and share.